this is Vicky Ratnani. I'm going to be making a very quick dish. I don't want to call it a hummus. I'm just going to call it a beetroot and chickpea dip. And I've already made some here very quickly. Show you. It's delicious. And with some nice carrot crudités, some nice vegetable sticks. Watch TV, eat all this. And you can be using different kinds of beans, different kind of cooked vegetables with different rice, with different ingredients and create your own lovely dips. So very simple. Look how this is. I was making chana today. I kept a little on the side and I'm making a salad now. I've got a cooked beetroot which we cooked this morning as well. So we've got beetroot, we've got chickpeas. Of course, I love coriander. Mirchi, bati has to be there. So a chili inside. Then some of my favorite spices. A little bit of cumin powder. A little bit of lovely pink Himalayan pink salt. I love that. Thoda sa lovely mathania Rajasthani red chili spicy powder. It's delicious. Okay. Juice of a half or 3/4 of a lemon. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Let's double squeeze this lime now. Lovely. Next, little bit of olive oil. I've got some olive oil there, and I've got some lovely yogurt. Okay, beautiful yogurt goes in here. And guess what? On my way to doing it, yes. So first we beautiful a bit of salt. Done. My chickpea and beetroot dip is ready. Now next, I'm going to take this out. Lovely. Using a nice clean spat or a spatula. A nice lovely rustic kind of feeling here. Beautiful. Then I have these crudités, carrot sticks. You can use any nice vegetables. I'm going to put these here. There's a little bit of olive oil, and voila, some nice roasted jeera powder. So beet and chickpea dip ready. Voila.